Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix this error. So the reason I got this error is because I installed LocalDB 2012 and it's the lowest version of the LocalDB. So today I'm gonna try to install the LocalDB 2016. So I'm gonna put the link in the description below. So let's try to install the LocalDB. Let's just quit this. Install. Just wait until the installation is complete. So I got this error because I installed the wrong LocalDB. So if the error occurs again, so then let's try another version, another year of LocalDB. There is 2016, 2017, and 2018. So I tried the 2016 because I got an error of LocalDB 2019. So wish me luck. Just close this. Close yes. So it's already finished. So let's try and run again. So I got hung up in there. So let's just wait. So I got in. So the reason why as I said, the reason I got this error because I installed the wrong LocalDB. And when I installed the 2016 LocalDB, the error is gone. So if 2016 doesn't work, try 2017. If it doesn't work either, then try 2019. So that's all. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and comment down if I can help you and assist you with your error. Thank you. God bless.